Section 250.24b of the National Electrical Code states that a grounded conductor shall be provided for each service, feeder, and branch circuit where required for the operation of equipment. When a feeder is run to a subpanel without a grounded conductor, this is permissible if the current load is 240 volts and does not require a neutral. However, the presence of extra breaker spaces within the subpanel introduces another consideration. If the subpanel has extra breaker spaces, the NEC requires that a grounded conductor be extended to the subpanel. This requirement ensures the availability of a grounded conductor for future 120-volt circuits. Even if the current load does not necessitate a grounded conductor, the potential for future modifications or expansions that might require it triggers this rule. On the other hand, if the subpanel consists solely of a two-pole disconnect without any additional breaker spaces, a grounded conductor is not required to be extended to the subpanel. However, it is important to note that if the disconnect is subsequently modified to include breaker spaces, the installation of a grounded conductor becomes mandatory. To summarize, in a scenario where a subpanel has extra breaker spaces, the NEC mandates the extension of a grounded conductor to the subpanel to accommodate the possibility of future 120-volt circuits.